Technological interventions for efficient seeds distribution system during COVID-19 pandemic. The ICAR-Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research, Karnal, Haryana, has developed and deployed the wheat varieties DDW47, Karan Vandana, and DDW222, Karan Narendra in the farmers' fields. The varieties have been handpicked by the wheat farmers of different states. The institute used to sell its seed to the farmers by organizing Kisan Melas in the previous years. To supply quality seed of recent wheat and barley varieties DBW187, DBW222, DDW47 and DWRB137, the institute has created wheat and barley seed portal for the farmers. A farmer has just to fill his name, village, district and state and upload his Aadhaar card and select the variety and quantity of seed to be purchased. A one-time password OTP will be sent to his registered mobile number with the ICAR-IIWBR Karnal, Haryana. The institute intimates the farmers about the collection of specific seeds on the designated date and time through SMS. The payment will be received in various digital modes like QR code, net banking or card swipe system. The farmers were really happy and satisfied to receive the seeds of recent varieties conveniently in the challenging time of the COVID-19 pandemic. Source: Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research, Karnal, Haryana. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.